In a momentous session that has captured the nation's attention, the Supreme Court recently mulled over the complex legal question of whether a former president can claim immunity from criminal prosecution for actions taken while in office. This debate is centered around former President Donald Trump's actions relating to the 2020 election interference case. The legal fraternity and the public alike have been eagerly watching as the court, which has a conservative 6-3 majority, including 3 Trump-appointed justices, signaled a cautious approach towards answering this unprecedented question. Outside the hallowed halls of the Supreme Court, the scene was a microcosm of the divided national sentiment towards Trump and his legal predicaments. Demonstrations erupted with rap music and chants asserting Trump is not above the law, showcasing the intense public scrutiny and polarized opinions surrounding this case. As protesters waved signs and voiced their fears over the implications of granting immunity, lines of Trump supporters and curious onlookers formed early in anticipation of the hearings, signaling the undying support Trump garners from his base despite the myriad legal challenges he faces. The heart of the legal battle lies in whether Trump's efforts to challenge the 2020 election results, ranging from conspiring to submit fake election certificates to Congress to allegedly engaging private actors like Rudy Giuliani to spread baseless claims of election fraud, constitute official acts protected by presidential immunity, or if they can be categorized as personal actions subject to prosecution. The justices appeared split, with the court's liberal wing showing skepticism towards Trump's broad immunity claim, while conservative justices, including Samuel Alito and Brett Kavanaugh, expressed concerns over the potential implications for future presidents and the stability of the country's democratic processes. Although the court seems inclined to reject Trump's claim to absolute immunity, there's a possibility of the case being remanded for further proceedings, which could delay a trial significantly, potentially until after the next election. This strategic delay plays into the larger narrative of Trump's legal strategy, aiming to postpone legal confrontations that could have immediate political repercussions. Justice Amy Coney Barrett, a Trump nominee, notably interrogated the distinction between official and private acts, suggesting that at least some actions Trump's lawyers deem private could indeed face prosecution. The discourse within the Supreme Court resonated with the complex and vitally important concern about the nature of presidential power and accountability. As America stands at this judicial crossroads, the decision, whether it leads to a delay or outright rejection of Trump's immunity claims, will undeniably have profound implications on the legal and political landscape, highlighting the enduring tension between the lofty ideals of justice and the gritty realities of political power play.